Welcome to our video detailing the assembly process of our new ExpertLine safety edge system from start to finish. First, determine the overall safety edge length, including end caps, and deduct 24 mm from the overall length. Cut the aluminium profile to suit, then cut the edge to the same length using the profile cutters or a suitable straight cutting edge device as shown in the video here. The next step is to fit the end crock pieces into the rubber profile. Ensure they are in a clean, dust-free environment when removing the sealant protective strip. It is easier to fit the end crock pieces if you hold the profile like this, and we recommend the use of disposable gloves when pushing the crock end piece, as you need to push it in until the sealant has overflown, as shown here. It is recommended at this stage to fit the rubber profile to one side of the aluminium profile first. Make sure that you start at one end, push in the profile into the rail. Repeat the process at the opposite end and start to join the two sections together to make sure you have an even spread and it is firmly pushed in all the way. Once you have done this, you can then fit the profile to the gate itself. Once it is fitted to the gate, you fit the end of line resistor cap where desired. In this case it is top of the gate. And you fit the wired connection at the opposite side and feed the wire where desired. Once this is done, you fit the other side of the rubber safety edge profile into the aluminium rail, repeating the process we used for the first side. You then take the end caps and you fold them inside out as shown here. Make sure that you remove the drain plug from the bottom end cap only. It is then fitted to the top first as shown. Making sure that the metal pieces at the back are pushed firmly into the aluminium rail. You then repeat the process for the bottom.